Hi guys, it's Anne again here, and in this video I will be talking about another glutathione. It's been a while. I think it's more than a year since the last time I reviewed a product. That's the Lax White glutathione. So actually I've used that product for just 2 months, and now I came across another one. So this one is also very interesting. Keep on watching. This one, guys, is from Jarrow Formulas, a pharmaceutical grade glutathione. It's a reduced one. At the same time, it's a intracellular antioxidant, so it is really good to flush out toxins, unnecessary toxins inside the body. At the same time, it comprises of 60 veggie cups already, so that's good for 2 months. And it's for 500 milligrams per capsule. At the same time, it's gluten-free. As why I mentioned a while ago, it's vegan-free. That's why I was impressed with the claims of this product and I decided to take it. As we all know, in this day and age, there are a lot of illnesses that are just popping in. That's why it's very important that we take care of our body. At the same time, we really make thorough research on the capsules or multivitamins that we are taking inside, so as to protect also our kidneys and other cells inside the body. Well, that's another story. Let's get back into this one. It also says here that it's the most abundant intracellular glutathione, and it has a lot of good effects that would of course help your body. And again, the side effects of glutathione is that it whitens our skin. That's why most people are hooked with glutathione, because of course, aside from removing our toxins inside the body, we would also want to achieve that glowing and fair, bright skin, right? For me, my primary concern is to of course, achieve that fair white skin and have that beautiful glow. At the same time, to flush out the toxins that I have inside my body. And I have been using this product for almost 1 month now, guys. And I could tell that it does the job. When it comes to keeping my skin fair, I thought that I have achieved that so far. It's not that drastic that you would really see it right after using it, but so far I think it's doing well. At the same time, it has minimized the redness on my face because of my inflammation and the tiny veins. I keep on talking about them even with my previous videos, that those are inborn. At the same time, my scars that are my acne scars that are still somehow visible. So I aim to whiten those and so as to even out my skin tone at the same time. So far I think it's doing the job. Plus, I like it also that it keeps me energized, because probably your toxins are being flushed out of your body, and of course in that way you would feel good in the inside and in the outside as well, right? So yeah, I really feel that I have so much energy that I am able to keep up for the rest of my transitions or with my daily transitions. So I am being more productive, and that's something that I precious a lot. It's because of course every day we don't want to waste time, especially nowadays. Time flies, so it's very important for me to be productive. So I think that's what I'm getting from this product. By the way, guys, when it comes to fast absorption, I am also taking this vitamin C from California Gold Nutrition. So these are also suitable for vegetarians, so they are very safe. At the same time, non-gluten, non-GMOs, no soy, and they are all ready for 1,000 milligrams. Again, 60 veggie cups, plus they are 100% gold guarantee. So I'm using this product together now, and I am very happy with the results so far. Plus, I thought with the price, they are very reasonable, because this one I got it for roughly 1,300 pesos. And this one is for like 300 pesos. So those are already good for 2 months. You're getting a lot from what you paid for, right? Overall, guys, I will be giving this product, this glutathione, 8 out of 10 because so far I'm happy with the results I'm getting. I will be keeping you posted for any changes that I will notice all throughout or even after I finished it after 2 months. But so far, thumbs up for me. So probably this is also suitable for those who are having acne problems, acne issues, since I'm very sure that those acne are also coming from toxins that are not necessary in our body, and then they are being flashed out on our face or everywhere, something like that. You might want to give it a try. I'll just be posting the link down below. Again, guys, that's it for this video. If you like this one, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And I will be seeing you again next time. Happy weekend! Bye-bye! Thank you!